Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video. Today I'm going to be showing you in depth the Mercedes entertainment screen or whatever. In depth, both screens where you can do all the settings. Let's go guys. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, we'll start the car. I don't want the engine to die just in case. As you can see, currently it's in Apple CarPlay mode. Let me turn that off. Let me show you all the settings. Okay, so here you have your phone settings. So the top corner takes you back to your main screen, the home screen. 1 second guys. So here you press phone. Not that one. Here you can click on your phone to dial a phone number at the bottom there. So this one there, it connects you to new devices. This one takes you to your favorites. That's just your settings. For the Bluetooth, you got your devices there. And you got back button there. You have your contacts there. Okay, and then that's the same thing. I don't know what this low is. I think that's the fan control. Yeah. So here you can control your fans. You also have controls here. As you can see, that's your fan speed. That's temperature. I've got it on the lowest because it's summer at the moment. It don't give me banned. Okay, that's on and off, to turn it on and off. That's to put it towards your feet. That's towards me right now, and that's towards your windscreen. Okay, let's go back. Here you have your navigation. So if I press it, you've got your normal maps. This is your actual maps of the car, not your Apple CarPlay or Google Maps or something. This is your actual GPS, whatever map. Okay, you got your 3D view there above, 3D view above again. That's your normal view. Okay, here you got your music player there. You can change your songs there. You got your phone there if you want to press it, and then to navigate you just press it here, put in your address wherever you want, and then chill. Let's see where have people been. Blackburn, Preston. Very interesting. This car's been everywhere pretty much. Okay, and then that'll take you home. If you press your home there, you'll start navigation straight to your home that you've set. You got your radio there. How to turn this off? Okay, good night. You got the settings for the radio there. As you can see, everything's there. Oh, go back. No. Yeah, you control your volume there. Okay, back to radio. Do the bastard.
How does it sound good?
It's every time you go on it. Oh my days, what's it got on now? Shut the hell up. Okay, settings. There you go. There's your settings for the radio. Right. Next screen we have is the media. This is if you connect it by Bluetooth, it'll come up with Apple CarPlay or your actual Bluetooth, or you can use a USB device. Right now we're on Apple CarPlay, so it's going to come up with Apple CarPlay music. And you have all your settings for the media there, but I'll show you that later. You got apps as well, Mercedes-Benz apps in your browser. So I believe there's a tracker. I don't know if this car has it, we'll have to check. Yeah, it's not been activated. But yeah, you have to link your ID basically, and you can get a tracker on it and stuff. And you have a web browser which will use your phone's internet connection. Here you have a comfort mode. So here you can choose your lighting. So at the moment we have multicolored because it's daytime, you can't see anything. Let's have a look. Brightness is full, we can't really see it in the daytime. Effects, you can do different type of effects, like when you're greeting, on your climate. So when you put in a blue one, when you put it to the lowest, it'll go blue for a second. When you put it to the highest temperature, it'll go red for a second. Can you see it's red there? When you put it up. And when you put it down, it should go blue there. Can you see? Yeah, so that's what that is. Multicolor animation, that's we got animation on, so it'll just change its color slowly. Okay. Where do we get up to comfort? What's this? Oh. That's just a settings anyway. Oh, that was not. Okay, next page. here is the phone bit. You get all your information. So this car is a 1.3 litre hybrid. So it's been getting 32 miles per gallon. That's all motorway miles, so that's really bad. But it is a heavy car. It is a SUV, so I think it's too small of an engine. If you're gonna buy this car, buy a diesel, 2 litre diesel or 3 litre diesels. Or if you do get the petrol, get the 2 litre one. But that's an AMG spec, I think, something like that, with 300 horsepower. That's also hybrid, I believe, mild hybrid though, not as much of a hybrid as this one is. I see in the last 90 minutes. Okay, that just tells you the miles per gallon. This one will tell you if you're pressing the brakes, how much you're pressing the bike. Can you see? Look, I can never get 100% brake. Yeah, accelerator. Man's revving. Okay, here your revs there. Then the -3%, is that the incline? I didn't know I could actually. Oh yeah, it will be. It's how much the nose is tilted, because the floor's not flat right now. That's a pretty cool feature, that. And then 1 degree is this way. Fuck knows what that is. And then here you have your engine. You got your torque on the left, power on the right, so horsepower and newton meters. And I love the cool graphic mix. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Here you have your coolant temperature, oil temperatures on this side, and which levels it is, and then you get your boost at the bottom. So yeah, that's everything in there. And then the last one is Apple CarPlay. If you have Android Auto, I'll come up with Android Auto instead there, which was my one. So yeah, so there you just press it, you have your normal menu, all your stuff there, Spotify, blah blah blah. If you have different apps, it'll all come here anyway. Can you see? It's like an iPhone, which is really nice. Why have you got? Why have you got the Uber app? Oh, that's the driver app. That's what I have. Donkey. That's for the working. Are you working? You bastard. And you got Google Maps, Uber. You can get your Uber app on there if you want.
These are my apps.
Yeah, no, I'm showing them. Okay, then you finished. Your time is there, your 4G is there. And now we go into the settings for you guys. Okay, so start from the beginning. So you have assistance. This is where your lane keeping assist is on. This automatically turns on every time I turn on the car, so I need to turn that off. Brake assist, keep it on. I'd say put it to a medium. So all that does is it'll stop you from having a crash, but it'll also help you with braking as well. It'll give you extra power from the brake booster. That's your traction control. Make sure you leave that on unless you want to go drifting or off-road, or you're stuck somewhere, then you'll need to turn that off. Okay, active lane keeping assist. I say it's turned off because for me it's more of a headache. Like if I'm trying to do a tight maneuver, it pushes me into the walls and stuff almost. So yeah, it's not a very safe thing. It's not got, like we have common sense where if we see something happening we can fix it, whereas this doesn't have that common sense. It just follows the lines, strictly to the lines. But obviously we know UK roads aren't that good. So yeah, now you got assistance menu. That's just assistance assist. So in there you can choose what you want. So I might turn that off. Attention assist, I mean. So this is when it notices, say your hands are off the thing. It's got a camera here somewhere as well, so it's checking your eyes as well. You got speed limit warning on there if you want it. I've turned that off. You got camera as well, so you can open the camera cover from here if you want to clean it and stuff. I'm not going to do that right now. Here you got your parking warnings, so you can set what volume you want or pitch. You want the music to fade out and stuff, and then how early should warn and stuff. Okay, so now we're in the vehicle settings. You're in driving mode. Why shouldn't you me, man? Okay, so present driving, let's see what there is. You got winter tire limit, so you can turn down if you put winter tires on. You got manual shifting mode on. Automatically search for fuel stations when you're low on fuel. You have a car wash mode. I don't actually know what that actually does. Oh, that's what it does. So you'll put your mirrors in, you'll close your windows, you'll turn your parking sensors off and your rain sensors and your wipers off. And you can only activate it, so max speed is 12 miles an hour. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Sorry bro, we have no money.
Why are you videoing the car?
Quick, close it. Okay, now you got We done open close, innit?
Quick, you dare get my thing?
Have we done open close?
Swear to God.
Okay, open close, you have vehicle protection. You can turn it off if you have something inside or left something inside. Automatic lock in, that's when you start driving. You got acoustic lock, so it makes a sound when you lock it. Automatic fold in when you turn off the car, which is good. Okay, dynamic select. So this is what keeps messing around with me, because every time I start the car it's always in eco mode. So now this is where I need to bloody change it so it doesn't do that headache. So I always leave it in comfort mode. Steering, sports, go back into comfort there. Maybe that's why it's so light, I don't know. Okay, has gone harder? No. Oh. Okay, now lights, that's the same as what we saw before. So you have interior, exterior lights. You can choose how long you want them on for. Okay, you got ambient lighting, which you've already seen on the other menu. It's pretty much that same menu. Now how do you go back? No way to go back. Do that. Oh, bro, what the fuck?
Let me use someone's better than you.
Right, gotta get up to settings. Okay, lights, we've done the lights of the system now.
Ow.
So system, okay, here you have your voice Mercedes, voice assistant. So all you have to say is, hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
why are you gay?
I'm sorry. Can you say that again, please?
No, please no. Okay,
I'm sorry.
Do
But I
that,
can't help you with that right now.
okay, thank you. Then you got online recognition there. I don't know what proactivities. Oh, it just tells you to, yeah, it said that before. So if you have a phone plugged in, it'll tell you don't forget your phone and all that stuff. Yeah, here you have your display brightness. It doesn't make a difference, you know, because that was on 0 before. It doesn't make a bloody difference. It's the same bloody brightness. Here you can turn it on and off. Here you have graphics, if you want good graphics, miles or kilometers. You got your languages there, keyboard, languages again. This is the, if you want a noise on when you touch it. And that's how hard you want to press the screen. You can put it to medium, low, high. Audio, you have your greeting tone, it just makes a chime. There's your parking sensors, sounds and stuff like the other one. Phone sounds as well, the speech volume, ringtone volume. And the voice output, here you go, you can change that as well, everything's there. And the entertainment, this one, the speakers on this car are shit. Like you need to get the upgraded version, because the stock speakers are absolutely shit. Like I've been through every setting and I can't bloody get a nice setting out of it. So yeah, that's your balance. Choose if you want it front, back, anywhere you want, or just keep it in the middle like normal. And here you can equalize all the songs to one level, but I've got Spotify doing that already, so doing it twice is actually makes it worse. Here you have the internet access. You make a Wi-Fi hotspot, so with that you can use your phone and create a hotspot in the car for everyone in the passengers. Here's your owner's manual, the digital one, and that's all your software stuff and your legal license. That's pretty much everything on this end. Now we'll have a look here. So here you have your main menu. So this one's not touchscreen, as you can see. You have to control it with this. So here, if you press down, that's your attention assist. So that's if you're falling asleep, it'll tell you. Here's your music, so if you're playing a song, it'll come up there. You can change it here as well. You press it that way to go right to change your song, or go back pressing left. I don't like these controls, they're all touchscreen. Can you see? You have to swipe like this. Here's your maps if you want to on there as well. So that's not your Google Maps, that's your normal car's map. That's your mileage. So this is a 20,000 miles, very low, and 5,000 miles on the trip so far. Okay, that's your trip that you just done. Just tells you all your speeds and miles per gallon. That's your eco display. I've got 3 out of 5 stars, no good. And that's your consumption, so 31 miles per gallon. And then okay, and then that's your current consumption, which is not bad. It's not really eating much while it's idling right now. And yeah, so now if you press home, you can change your screens. So I'll show you what sports mode looks like. Okay, you see, that's what sports mode looks like. It looks more like a F1 car basically. You have your oil temperature, coolant temperature there. No, that one's the oil one. It doesn't have the coolant temperature. It's got the electric power and charge system there. You have your fuel. Everything's a bit more simplified. You have your speed limit at the top. If I press home again, this one's like a minimalistic one. This one I don't like at all. It's not that good. Yeah. This one's your navigation, full screen navigation. Assistance. And that's your services. So you have your coolant temperature, engine oil level, any warnings, assist plus when your next services. Okay guys. Well guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Good night, brothers. Hope this helped you guys.